I guide you to find saved effects on your Instagram. So let's see that how. Go to the reels or the posts. If you click on the story or otherwise reel, here you can go, and if you tap on camera and you can record the video, and you can see that recorded video. Here you can find the start option. If you tap on that, all the effects will be available here. If you need to see your saved effects, let me say that I have saved this. Let us say this. Yeah, I have saved this. Now I need to find that. So you can go back, and again you can tap on filter. If you go there, here you can find this time mark option. If you tap on that, here you can find all your saved effects on Instagram. You can tap on effects, you can go to the trending, you can go to the reels, you can go to the appearance, and you can save. Let me say I have saved this. Now I have saved this. Now I need to see that where it is saved. And here, if you scroll like this, here you can find beside the search option, you can find this tag mark option. If you tap on that, here you can find all your saved effects. This is how you can see them. Thank you.